Welcome to PPT Janix. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to create a similar motion graphic slide. Okay, so for that, basically we need to learn how to change shape from one form to another. So for that, let's insert the shape oval. Okay. All right, let's reduce its size a little bit. Okay, now shape fill, light yellow, shape outline, no outline. Let's go to the format shape option. Okay, let's go to effects option. Let's go to 3D format. Let's just select round bevel and let's just give 80 points width and 80 points height. Okay, now I'm going to make the exact copy by pressing the Ctrl D. All right, and I'm going to place it exactly on top of the previous one like this. Okay, now in the next step, just select both the circles and let's place them over here. Now we are going to give it an animation and let's just give bounce animation. That's it. And in the animation pane, the drop down menu, just select start with reviews. That's it. Now by pressing the Ctrl D key, make the exact copy of the slide. Now to the slide number 2, in the transition effect, give the morph transition. All right, now just select the oval which is behind. Okay, so for that we will go and select the shape. We'll go to the selection pane. Let's just select oval 5. Okay, and let's just bring it down. Okay, and now in the added shape option, change shape to triangle like this. Okay, shift it over here. Again, go to the format shape option, effect option, and instead of 80 points in 3D format, let's just give it only 30 points by 30 points. Okay, and let's just give it red color. Fine. Now in the next step, to the slide number 2, we'll go to the animation pane and let's just remove both the animations. Okay, now let's just have the preview. So for that, I'm going to press the F5. Okay, so here the ball is bouncing, and in the next step, this triangle is appearing, but it's not changing its shape. So for that, this is really very important trick. Okay, now we will go to the slide number 1, and now we will go to the selection pane. Okay, to both the ovals, just remember we are going to give it some name, but please do remember it is compulsory to add 2 exclamatory mark and give whatever name you want to give. Like for example, for oval 6, I will give it face. Again for oval 5, double exclamatory and give it double. All right, done. Similarly, let's go to slide number 2. To this shape, we will give double exclamatory, face. Similarly, the second one, now give double exclamatory and give body. It is not that important. Whatever name you want to give, you can give, but double exclamatory mark is important. Now let's just have a preview one more time. Beautiful, isn't it? So similarly, you can add more steps and you can just change shape from one form to another. Thanks for watching, and if you like, hit the subscribe button.